Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to give you a nice here video of a Moffett. It's a 2015. It's a M8 55.3 showing 2,495 hours, 10-foot mast. Now you have brick and block forks, but ladies and gentlemen, we can swap those out for free for pallet forks, and if you want lumber forks, that'll be an additional charge, but we'll discount it because you're trading in your brick and block forks. Now this thing has an operational guarantee and a 1-month engine warranty. It's been completely refurbished and repainted. When we repaint these, ladies and gentlemen, what we do is we take off the roll cage, the hood, the back door. As you can see, many of these covers are removed, the diamond plating, the hydraulic manifold cover, the battery cover. Many of these parts are easily removed. You can even see your relief switch, your hook, see the nice bolts here. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we also take off your seat. Then we can paint this stuff separately and get a nice coat of paint in between, and then we can give you a nice, long-lasting finish. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna take a look in the back here. Look how deep our paint job goes. This is not lipstick on a pig. Many of our competitors, I'm not saying what they are, but what it is for us, we go in here deep, and we've noticed when we get them in trade-in, it's just one coat of paint on top. It's not all taken apart and done like we do. You have brand new tires all the way around, ladies and gentlemen. Let's take a look here. All your filters are changed and date coded. You have new fluids. Now, ladies and gentlemen, when we refurbish these, we look for things such as pins, bushings, mass bearings, chains, rollers, anything wearable, ladies and gentlemen. If it's found to be out of spec or bad, we replace it. Same way with the hydraulic system. It is pressure and leak tested. Then what we do is if we find anything leaking or any weak cylinders or leaking cylinders or a hydraulic pump is bad, we replace it. Now we're gonna go ahead and fire it up here. Here's your mass going up and down. Tilt, side shift, mass carriage, outriggers. Now we're going to do a figure 8. Everything's nice and sync and tight. Your lights are all working. Now, ladies and gentlemen, your operational guarantees when you get it, it's in the condition I said, it's over, but don't worry, we'll back you up this engine for an additional 30 days. You can give us a call at 260-238-4998. You can check us out on the web, 99lifts.com. Thank you.